Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to fix the missing Safari app on your iPhone. The first thing you can do to recover the Safari app is by going to the home screen of your iPhone and then scrolling all the way to the very right until you get to the app library. From here, click into the Utilities folder, and you should see the Safari app in there. If you don't, click on the search bar at the very top and search for Safari. You can open the application from here. If you still can't find the Safari app, it's possible that you may need to enable it in your screen time settings. To do this, open the Settings application and scroll down until you find Screen Time. Click into that, and then scroll down again to Content and Privacy Restrictions and click into that. Now, click into Allowed Apps and Features and make sure Safari has been toggled on. Now that we've toggled this on, exit out of the Settings application and go back to the app library. Again, you can try finding the Safari app manually, or click on the search bar at the top and search for Safari from there. If you want to pin the Safari browser to your home page, go back to the app library and search for it yet again. Then press and hold on the application icon. You're going to get a few options. Select Add to Home Screen. Now, as you can see, the Safari app has been added to our home screen. If you want to add it to the dock at the very bottom, press and hold it yet again and then click on Edit Home Screen. Then, drag it to the dock, or the bottom of your iPhone. Now that we've done this, click on Done in the top right-hand corner. And now, you can go ahead and start using Safari just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tips for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.